What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. So today I want to show you how having a specific setup is going to help you become consistent. I want to show you two trades, one from Wednesday and one from Thursday. So we are going to start with the one from Wednesday, oil. So if you are not familiar with my process is simple. I plot the high of the day and the low of the day. Simple. So these are my guiding points. Now, my setup is simple. I buy low, I sell high. Now, as you can see, this is the high of the day. Now, I'm also trading only 2 hours a day. That is the New York session from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. But 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is for the market to set up to give us the high and low of the session. So, as you can see, this is the high of the session. This is the low of the session. And they've triggered other time frame traders, well, the high of the day. So those who are looking for a setup at the high of the day, this was a very good setup. As you can see, the market gives us an M pattern and then breaks structure. And then at the close of our first hour, we come back to the high of the day and we have these pins. So this is an entry here, this is an entry here, but for me, I am looking for setups after the first hour has already formed. Now, the first hour gives us our high of the session, low of the session. The second hour, we are looking for either buying at the low of the session or selling at the high of the session. So the price must come back and test one of these regions. And as you can see, the market comes and pins the low of the session. So we are looking for a W pattern and a break of structure with an engulfment. Also, I was busy, so I came to the market in the last hour, and this is what I had already found had already happened. I came at around 9:45 in the 9:45 New York time. Now, as you can see, the market went up 25 pips, then came back and then gave us an M pattern. Oh, a W, I mean a W. And break of structure. So this is the W pattern at the low of the session. Now, break of structure, as you can see, we've broken above this red candle. That is the break of structure. So we are looking for a retest and then an engulfment. That is what happens. The market gives us a bearish candle and then engulfs it. That was my entry. And boom. Easy 50 pips to the high of the session. It's that simple. Knowing exactly what you want from the market, you will not get any problems. Now, let's look at gold yesterday. So, the process is still the same. We are looking for, this is the high of the session, this is the low of the session. This is the low of the day. This is the high of the day. But as you can see, this is our high of the session in the first hour, and this is our low of the session. Now, the second hour, we wait for 9:30. 9:30 comes and breaks down at the low of the session and gives us a W pattern. A W pattern with a break of structure. Now, you must be very, very keen when you're observing these candles. We have that break of structure there, as you can see. With that break of structure, we are at the low of the session. Timing. Look at the time. We are about to finish the 15-minute cycle. What do you want? We want an engulfment, a retest, and an engulfment. And there was our engulfment at 9:50, 5 minutes after the 15-minute candle opens. With that, simple. We want our 25 pip stop loss and a 50 pip target. Voila. When you understand what you really want in the market, when you know your edge, when you know what exactly you want, the trading becomes so easy. You can even come and look at the markets without even drawing all these things and know whether you have a setup or not. This trade, I took this trade without even, from oil on Wednesday. That trade, I came late to the market, but when I looked at the pattern that was forming, I already saw, this is a buy signal. Everything is already set up. It was just waiting for me to come and execute. So guys, it is so simple when you know exactly what you want from the market. Knowing exactly what you want, when you want, the timing, especially the timings. Know when you are trading. Know when your times to trade are. So guys, I hope you got value from today's video. I hope you understood something. You took something from today. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and stay focused, stay disciplined. See you in the next video. Peace out.